Arjun! Arjun, how did this happen?
A while ago, you dropped Diya home. This accident? How did this accident happen?
No, Deepika. It's not an accident. I think someone attacked Arjun. When I reached there, then he was in a bad condition. His legs were injured. And when I took him to the doctor, he said it was a fracture. I think they hit Arjun's legs with something very heavy.
Arjun? Arjun, who were they?
I don't know. I think Karan sent them.
Karan. I will not spare that man. I'll tell Dad about this.
What's the point in telling him? He cannot do anything. Had he wanted to do something, he would have done it 5 years ago.
So good to see you, sir. No one other than you can ensure discipline in this academy. I think Arjun Agarwal took advantage of this chance. Perhaps he was hiding here only.
There is no doubt in that. Arjun was in this camp. And he could be here only for one reason. My suspicion turned out to be true. Arjun was here to take information about his drugs case.
You are absolutely right, sir. Arjun Agarwal took a huge risk for Diya Mukherjee. But it was weird to see Diya Mukherjee lose the match this way. There might be personal reasons. And maybe that's why Arjun created a huge scene in the middle of the tournament.
Worry about yourselves, not Diya. What do I pay you for? Despite such tight security, Arjun was staying in the camp. He was here all the time. What were you doing? I want everyone on the old security team fired. Appoint new security team. Move.
Sorry, sir. I'll speak to them right now.
Who other than Arjun can take these papers? And where would he have kept them? Tina. I should call Tina. She knew Arjun was staying in the camp. She might know something.
What are you waiting for? Come near Arjun, stupid. Pretend to cry.
But we can't let him go so easily. This way he will do whatever he wants. We can't ignore such a big incident, Arjun. Arjun, you are in pain.
Are you worried about my pain? Huh? Tell me.
Arjun!
And what? Leave me. And what about the pain you and Mom gave me?
Arjun!
Stop it. I'm bored of your old and disgusting dialogues. Tina, this is why I refuse to come here. I refuse to come into this house. Now, right now, these fake people are hurting me more than my own injury. These are fake people.
Arjun, please. She's right. How long will you be angry, huh? At least try to see the intentions behind her actions. She did it only for your betterment.
And who told her to worry about my betterment? Who told her? Me? And by the way, She knew very well what was good for me and what made me happy. On the contrary, I should say that she benefited herself by doing this.
A witch can become good. But I cannot believe the fact that Tina has changed. No problem, Tina, honey. How long will you hide your true colors? If this is your plan, then sooner or later, you will need my help. Because no one else can do what I can do for you.
Kush, dear, take Arjun to his room.
I don't want to stay here.
Arjun,
My loved ones are my own enemies.
Arjun, calm down. Please sit. Arjun, don't go anywhere. Look, this is your house. They are your family members. And you can't judge them based on one incident, right? Look at Madhuri auntie and Diya. They are so worried about you. And if you leave in this condition, then do you have any idea what they will do? Please, Arjun, this is your safe place.
Thank you for helping me today.
I think this is attachment. Yes, in the past, I have made big mistakes. I cannot be forgiven for those, and I cannot correct them either. But Arjun, I can be a true friend and prove my friendship. And look, Diya made a mistake. I think she can correct it, but
If it was in mom's control, she would give her house as well. She's giving her so many things just because she's lost a match. It's all because of Kush. Had he earned well, I would have ordered them all. Mom, this seems to be quite expensive. Must be around 500,000 rupees.
well, it's priceless. Mother gave it to me with love. But today it must be worth 5 million rupees.
Oh my goodness! Such an expensive necklace! This necklace is worth 5 million rupees. So what about the total worth of this jewelry? If I take one or two necklaces, I will hit a jackpot.
Hey, Niharika. Did you send turmeric milk for Arjun in his room?
But yes, Deepika took milk for him.
Arjun, here you go. Turmeric milk. Drink this, you will recover quickly. Arjun, please forget your anger and try to sleep. And if you need anything, just call me. And yes, don't try to stand on your own. Okay?
Deepika, tell that girl not to come near me. I don't want to see her drama again. If she comes here, I will not be able to tolerate her.
Arjun! Arjun, what are you doing? Please don't be angry. Calm down. Be careful. Right now, Dia is not here. Please just rest.
So what if she's not here? She'll try to come to me later. I know it for sure.
Arjun, it's okay. Calm down. I'll talk to her. Please don't be stressed out. And don't hurt yourself. Please rest.
I'm sure that when Arjun calms down, he will realize that his mom and wife did everything for his betterment. They did it for his better future. Dia, I wish I could give you these things in a better situation. Arjun would have been so happy. It's okay. I'm sure that you will convince Arjun, just the way you convinced him to attend the prayer for the goddess. Look, while talking to you, I forgot that you haven't chosen anything from these dresses and jewelry. Choose it quickly, dear. You have to wear these things during the prayer. Choose what you want, okay?
Oh my! This jewelry has left me speechless. What should I pick? What should I leave? I can't decide.
Look at her grip. Observe the footwork and technique. Looking at her, who'll say that she's a trained player?
Mom, I think Dia is confused. She has never ever seen so much jewelry, huh? It's okay. She can't control her happiness. Take something, huh? Mom, can I take this?
Sure, dear.
And this one?
Yes, take it. Everything is yours. If you like something else, you can take it. And yes, from today, keep this jewelry with you.
Mom, is everything mine? I mean, is it mine?
Yes, everything is yours. There is more. Wait, I'll show you. See this. Mother had specially ordered this for me from Udaipur. This is made by the workers of Rajasthan. Isn't it pretty? See this? And this bangle, isn't it beautiful? Wait, I'll get more dresses. I have chosen a few for you.
Dia, what is wrong with you? Whenever I look at you, it seems you are not the Dia once I knew. After seeing Arjun in this condition, jewelry, clothes, hunger, thirst would not matter to her. Either that behavior was fake or this attitude is fake. But this does not look fake. Yes, if that was fake, then I was wrong. I took so long to see your true colors.
Wow, this color looks so good on you. Deepika? How is Arjun, dear? Did he drink turmeric milk?
Yes, Mom. Arjun is resting right now.
Mom, actually, for the past few days, Kush has brought no new clothes or jewelry for me. I mean, I always wear these old clothes and old jewelry.
No problem, dear. Why are you thinking so much? You can choose anything you want.
Really?
Yes.
If you insist, I will take it. Okay? I have been observing for a long time that this evil woman is eyeing my jewelry.
Now you all go. You have to make arrangements for the prayer.
Yes, Mom.
Thank you.
Diya, I have organized a prayer for you and Arjun. So remember one thing. You have to do a lot of work.
Yes, Mom. Oh, so here is the key to the cupboard. I have to steal the keys at any cost. I have to steal 3 to 4 bundles of notes at any cost. There are so many bundles, even if I steal 4 to 5, this oldie will not find out anything.
Yes, Uncle Radu.
How are you, Arjun? How did this happen? I had never imagined that this would happen. Diya lost so badly.
Uncle Radu, I don't want to talk about it.
I had seen passion in Diya, so I wanted her to win. But no problem. Don't be disheartened. I called you to tell you something important. Karan Mathur has returned to the academy. And as soon as he returned, he got your file from the information room. A few important papers were missing from your file. And Karan thinks you took those papers when you were in the camp.
Along with Karan Mathur, we will expose all the people who got you banned from the world of badminton, Arjun. You know, Arjun, I went to the information room and I found your file.
Is this true? Did you take those papers? If that is true, all your problems will end. You can get rid of the accusation made against you 5 years ago. And you never know, you might get to play badminton again.
Uncle Radu, I don't want to fight with anyone now. The one I was fighting for betrayed me. Now I don't want to do anything. Neither I want to fight, nor I want to return to the world of badminton. And Uncle Radu, I request you to stop all this. And thank you so much. Whatever you've done for me should have been done by Mr. Agarwal. You are truly my loved one. So please stop doing all this. And take care. Bye.
Okay. Okay, dear.
Dia told me about the papers. But where would she have kept the papers? Because after that day, she didn't mention anything about the papers.
That artificial jewelry looked so bad on me, as if there is a spot on the moon. Sometimes I feel so irritated because of Dia. She has such an amazing life. I will wear this dress. No, this won't look good on me. This would look good on me. That's it. Now I just want to steal some more money. the next 15 years of my life will be very peaceful. Then my entire focus will be on becoming a heroine.
What are you saying? A few papers are missing?
Yes. A few papers from the file are missing, and I'm sure no one other than Arjun can do this. He is adamant to prove the truth.
But I don't understand. How can he be so sure? Look, Arjun is a very impatient man. And he found those papers. He would have created a scene in these few days.
Arjun had almost reached the doctor. That means he is investigating his case. This is not a good sign. And after he goes missing, Arjun will not be quiet.
I keep my eyes and ears open, Mr. Agarwal. I'll make you a suggestion. You must try to be alert from now on.
I don't think Arjun will try something like this again. Because Arjun did everything at Diya's behest. But now his relationships are about to break. It suits you a lot. Not the jewelry. I'm talking about your greedy face. I don't even know how I missed it.
Arjun? Arjun, what are you doing here? You should have rested in your room. So please go and rest for a while. Come.
Leave me! Do not touch me.
Arjun, you should not have come here. The doctor has told you to rest.
Had I not come here, how would I have seen your real face? Now, at least now stop lying. The greed that you possess is now visible on your face.
Arjun, this is not the truth. Arjun, you're getting me wrong. Mom said that she wanted to organize a prayer for us. So she told me to wear this during the prayer. Arjun, I did refuse her, but she compelled me to take all these things.
I'm sure you would have refused. Sure, I can see it. And what did you say? A prayer for peace. For whom? My mom is at peace. And I can clearly see that you are at peace. Well, I'm not here to listen to your fake comments. I want the papers you stole from the information room. Where are those papers? Where are those papers?
Papers? What is this now? Which papers is he talking about? Tina did not tell me anything.